Hello guys, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. This is Fola Apparel. A very big thank you to my returning subscribers, and if you are here for the first time, thank you for being here as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on like button. Share this video, and if you don't understand anything, use the comment box. Today we are learning how to attach feathers to the sleeve or hem of an outfit. I welcome you to class again. This is the feather I'm using. So the first thing you do is to trim it. You trim this, you trim like cut up an inch off. After you are done trimming, you cut it into pieces. You can make it 1.5 or 2 inches. Here I will use 1.5. To attach your feathers to the fabric, you will need gum. So I'm using this blue gum. I already attached the first sleeve. I used 1.5 yard. For the leg, this is the leg. I used 2.5 yard each for the leg. Let me show you how to do it. Measure 2 inches. This is a fabric marker. Put your gum on the feathers. Put it this way. So I'm done with the first layer. For the second layer, put your gum, then you fold it like this. Put gum here, then you press it on the dress. Let me start from here. You press it, this way. I'll pick another one and repeat what I just did. Very close to the first one. This is the last one. Now I'm done. You can see how full it came out. And this is the final result, guys. My client rocked it so well. Guys, see you some other times. Bye.